Hello students, I am Ms. Jyoti Thomas from Department of Mathematics. In the last semester, first semester, you have two teachers, Sanjusi Agustin Miss and Christy Tom Matthews sir. And in the second semester, I would like to introduce integral calculus to you. The title of the paper is Integral Calculus and Differential Equations, and the course code is MM2 CMT01, Integral Calculus and Differential Equations, for the complementary course of Physics and Chemistry. It is common to some other programs too: Petrochemicals, Geology, Food Science, Quality Control, Electronics and Computer Maintenance. Model 1, Model 2, Model 3 all have the same syllabus from 2017. Then you have 3 textbooks. These are the textbooks. The modules are selected. Different modules are selected from different texts. And the book that is available in the store is only a guide. We have to refer the textbook importantly, and you can use the guide too. Then the texts are George B. Thomas Jr., Thomas Calculus, 12th edition. Only 2 chapters from that text is taken for integration. Not complete portions of the chapters, only some sections are relevant sections connected to these topics are selected from the text. Then for differential equations, A.H. Siddiqui, P. Manchandana, a first course in differential equations with the applications from Macmillan India Limited, 2006. It is the textbook. And there is a module containing partial differential equations. For that, A. and Snedden, Elements of Partial Differential Equations, Tata McGraw-Hill is selected. We are referring these 3 texts for preparing the modules of your course content. And the guide can be useful in selecting more problems and doing more problems, and thereby increasing your speed of calculation and get more trained for solving the problems. So use the guide for only that purpose. We will prepare the modules based on these textbooks. These are given in the prescribed syllabus. I am taking module 1 and sometimes module 2 or some portions of module 2. Both are about integration, and you have studied integration in your plus 2 classes. Module 1 is a continuation of what you have studied in the plus 2 course. Integration and the applications of integration. Sometimes double integrals may have in your plus 2 syllabus. Here we apply integration for different purposes. First, we are calculating volumes of 3-dimensional objects using integration. You know a connection with the integration and area when you deal with the integrals, single dimensional integrals. Then using single dimensional integrals, we can find volumes, and volumes can be found using different methods. First is volume using cross-sectional method and volume using cylindrical shells. Then another topic, arc lengths. Curves can be considered, and their lengths from a particular point to another point can be calculated in this section. And it has no relevance as it is, and we are using this or connecting the integrand in this with another topic, areas of surfaces of revolution. That's also done in 3 dimension. And before that, we have to remember or rewind our portions of integrations in the plus 2 classes. So the first videos, some of the first videos will be on that purpose, and after that we will come to volume of three-dimensional solids. Obtain a solid of revolutions, and cross-sectional methods and cylindrical shell methods are dealt in this module. Before starting the syllabus content, first videos will be given to rewind your ideas about integration and their application, etc. For the examination purpose, it will not be relevant, but without knowing integration, you cannot do the volumes or surface areas, etc. All that uses the process of integration. Before coming to the parts of the syllabus, I will remind you here, from here we are going to start the syllabus of your second semester. So you watch and try to understand the process of integration, or rewind the process of integration using the first some videos given to you, and then we can enter into the syllabus. And in module 1, we are dealing with the one-dimensional integrals or functions of single variables, then functions of 2 variables, 3 variables, etc. can be considered, and we can move to multiple integrals. Here we deal with only double integrals and triple integrals. Double integrals deal with functions with 2 variables, and triple integrals, and in triple integrals we have functions of 3 variables. And the process is easy if you know the process of integration of single variable, and it can be applied to double integrals and triple integrals. So try to study and understand the process of integration first, and then we can come to the syllabus. By the starting of June, we can complete the first module, I think, integral calculus. That module can be completed by 1 or 2 weeks. So within this time we can complete the first module, and the other modules are, when I introduce the syllabus, I have to do it completely. Module 3 is ordinary differential equations, separable variables, exact differential equation, equations reducible to exact form, linear equations, solutions by substitutions, homogeneous equations and Bernoulli's equations. And it is from the text to A. Siddiqui P. Manjanada, a first course in differential equations with the applications. From that book, the portions of ordinary differential equations are selected. And module 4 is about partial differential equations. Here we deal with surfaces and curves in 3 dimensions. Solution of equations of the form dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Origin of first order and second order partial differential equations. Linear equations of first order, Lagrange's method, etc. In the first semester, you have an idea about differentiation. There we have ordinary differentiation and partial differentiation. An equation containing ordinary differentials is called ordinary differential equations. Equation containing partial differentials is called the partial differential equations. And the topics covered under ordinary differential equations are all familiar from your plus 2 classes itself. Up to Bernoulli's equation, all are studied in your plus 2 classes, I think. So it would be easy to catch up the ideas of ordinary differential equations. But the idea of partial differential equations introduced in semester 2 is entirely new for you, I think. And there are some reference books other than the given 3 textbooks. Reference books are Shanti Narayanan and P.K. Mittal, Integral Calculus for Integration by S. Chanda and Company. Then for differentiation, Differential Calculus, E. Mangadajari from PSN. Then R.K. Ghosh, K.C. Maidi, An Introduction to Differential Equations. New Central books can also be taken as a reference text for part of differential equations. Then you know about the pattern of your questions. It is like that of the first semester, and there is a difference in the type of questions or number of questions from each module. That is only the difference. And you have part A, part B, part C. Part A contains 2 marks questions normally, except the situations of COVID. Part B contains 5 marks questions. Part C contains 15 marks questions. That is a normal pattern of the syllabus. And from module 1, part A 3 questions, part B 2 questions, essay 1 question. Module 2, part A 2 mark questions 3, 5 mark questions 3 and 1 essay. Module 3, 2 mark questions 3, part A, part B 5 mark questions 2 and part C 1 essay 1. Then module 4, read it correctly, module 3 എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Module 4, part A 3 questions, part B only 2 questions for module 3 and 4 and essay 1 essay. So a total of 6 questions from 6 questions on different part A, part B, part C from module 1, and from module 2 there are 7 questions, module 3 and 4 there are 6 questions each. Total of 25 questions in a question paper, and you have 80 marks in total. Part A 20 marks, part B 30 marks, part C 30 marks. പറയുമ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ നിങ്ങൾ സെമിസ്റ്റർ 1-ലെ എക്സാം നിങ്ങളുടെ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് അറിയില്ല. കോവിഡ് സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ ചില വ്യത്യാസങ്ങളൊക്കെ ചില ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ പാറ്റേണിലൊക്കെ വരുത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്നുള്ളതൊഴിച്ചാൽ ഇതാണ് പ്രിസ്ക്രൈബ്ഡ് സിലബസിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ പാറ്റേൺ എന്നുള്ളതുകൂടി നിങ്ങളെ ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ തുടങ്ങുകയാണ്. ആദ്യം കാണുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ വീഡിയോസ് ആയിരിക്കും. അതിനുശേഷം വോളിയൂംസ് ഓഫ് സർഫസസ് ഓഫ് റെവല്യൂഷൻ ആണ് ശരിക്കും ചെയ്യുക, യൂസിങ് ക്രോസ് സെക്ഷൻസ് ആൻഡ് ഷെൽസ്. 2 methods. Using that methods we can find the volumes. Finding the volume is the first topic of your syllabus, but we cannot go directly to that topic. So some introductory videos on integration and some applications of integrations are done first. Then only we can go to the syllabus. Okay, watch the coming videos and study well, regularly and constantly. Otherwise you cannot pass the exams or you cannot understand the concepts. Be regular in your work, write your notes regularly, submit your assignments regularly. Then only you can complete your course successfully. Okay, thank you.